Oh, we are back. And I'm telling you all, when it comes to November, like, I know your girl whines all the time over the cold weather, okay? But when it comes to November, that is when I get so crazy excited because we got Black Friday deals left and right. Specifically, the Gerard Cosmetics mystery boxes. By the way, Jen has like reformatted them and everything, so I am super excited to be working with Gerard Cosmetics in today's video. So thank you to Gerard Cosmetics for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I have a special little place in my heart for Gerard Cosmetics because I'm a story time, and then we'll eventually get into it. But back in 2019, when I lost my job, Jen Gerard was one of the companies that was at the forefront. Girl, let me help you. And she turned me on to her brand, and I have been in love. You guys know I talk about the lip liners all the time, which, matter of fact, I have Sugar and Spice on today. But starting on November 24th to November 27th, all of the Gerard mystery box or Gerard Cosmetics mystery boxes are going to be available. They actually sent over the largest box for me to unbox for you guys today, but they have 3, I do believe, in total, and there's going to be one to fit everybody's budget. So before we jump into today's video, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of our YouTube members that are constantly joining. Thank you guys so much for your love and support and helping to support this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. You have absolutely no idea how much I truly appreciate you all. And to those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, which is something new that YouTube has implemented, thank you all. And if you are returning, thank you bunches and bunches. Truly, this channel could not be successful without you all. So stick around, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and feel free to share this video over on Facebook or wherever. I absolutely love the Gerard Cosmetics mystery boxes. My coupon code will not work, I don't think, for these mystery boxes. My link is an affiliate link, so thank you if you do shop the Gerard Cosmetics Black Friday dealios using my link, because I greatly appreciate the support. Here it is. These are going to make excellent gifts, I'm going to tell y'all. And like I talk about in the past, these are going to make multiple amazing gifts. As the perfect gift for the holiday season, we've got the Snoopy's box, which has a retail value of $29, but it is a minimum value of $85 in the box. Then we have the Frosty box, which is the perfect medium-sized treat. It is a retail value of $69, but you will receive $210 worth of goodies. And then the Rudolph sleigh box, which is what I'm opening for y'all today. This is the ultimate beauty indulge, and you have a minimum retail value of $325 for $99. The OG that everybody loves it, the Slay All Day. This is the makeup removing balm. This is in rose scent. I have the peach scent. This stuff really does work. You guys actually introduced me to how amazing this is. This is a full-size product, so you get 3 fluid ounces. It works so well. There's a ton of different scents. The next one that has me so excited, the Clean Canvas Eye Base. And this is in medium, which is perfect because that is the one, in fact, that I do use. You guys, I have talked about this as well ever since it launched. I want to say in February of like 2020, maybe 2021. I don't know, but this stuff is amazing. So let me just tell you guys, when it comes to the Clean Canvas Eye Base, one of these little pots will probably last you a year, if not more, because you just need the smallest amount. So here's another little tip. If you also have, like me, large pores, wrinkles and crinkles underneath your eyes, this works amazing in my T-zone area as well. It kind of helps to like smooth and hide my large pores. And then I always take a little bit underneath the eyes and in the inner corners, because once again, it just helps to give you that smooth, clean canvas look. Oh my gosh. Next in here, we've got the Slay and Bake full size. Once again, all this stuff is full size, even though I'm on repeat, but this is a full size Slay and Bake powder. This is the Slay the Bake sculpting and setting powder. This stuff is so good. Like, I love to like chisel out my cheeks with this as well to give more of like a contoured effect. This is so good. Next in here, we've got a pair of lashes. Which ones are these? This is, oh, what's the tea? These are really nice. These lashes, These are not a one and done type of dealio. You can use these over and over and over. And I will just like pick the glue off and clean them. You can spritz like a little diluted alcohol on here as well. But these are really good. The Eternal Liner. Next in here, no flipping way. We've got the Gerard Cosmetics. She actually put in one of the Emily D. Baker, one of the lip glosses. I have been wanting one of these. I am so excited over this because all of the colors, oh my gosh, look absolutely gorgeous. And it's part of the Bougie Gloss. You guys know how much I love that, where it has the nice like flashlight. I like this color. I love this. I love this so much. This color is so pretty. This is in Objection. Isn't that pretty? But see, like, granted I put it over top of my lipstick, but it still looks really nice. It's not like as scary as it may seem in the tube. This is beautiful. And you know what? This is going to pair beautifully with the lip liner Bel Air or Cher. Yes, yes, yes. I'm actually doing like a trio of lip liners with Gerard Cosmetics, like my favorites. Next in here, we've got the nude lipstick. This is another good like OG fave for me. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like a warmy peach color, but on the skin, look how beautiful that is. It's just like the perfect nude, but pairing this with like a pink lip gloss is going to be stunning. I think that is going to be really pretty. I like to do like these cool tone pinky shades because it just helps to make your teeth look whiter. But yep, see? Add a little bit of that lip gloss on top and see how it cools it down. I'm kind of mixing it together too. Absolutely gorgeous. The lipsticks with Gerard Cosmetics are so comfortable. This box, it is filled to the brim with things. All right, next in here we've got the Hydra Matte, and this is in Gravity. Do I have this one? Ooh, look at that. Okay, this is different. I don't have this one. This is so different and low-key a little scary, but I feel like you could really do some ombre-ing. This is so like 90s grunge to like Y2K grunge vibe. I love that. Mudslide, I think, is the lip liner I'm thinking of that would be so pretty with this. And then take Kimchi right in the center, and oh my gosh, that would be so pretty. These are actually really comfortable liquid lipsticks as well. All right, next in here we've got the Metal Matte Liquid Lippy, and this is in the shade Double Shot. I don't know if I have this one either. Okay, so this is a really pretty like coppery brown tone. All right, next in here, this is another OG must-have, the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. This is in the scent Peach, which I do have this one and I love it. Another good one is Watermelon. Oh my gosh, the watermelon smells so good. And I want to say there was like a tea one or something that I have. I don't know. Either way, they're all amazing. I think you're gonna love them. Next in here, we've got Starlit palette. This is a really good palette to travel with as well. So it's in your type of standard cardboard packaging. Yes, I love this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All the shades, absolutely gorgeous. You've got Grace, Marilyn, and Lucy in here, and these work great on your eyes as well, body. And let me just tell you, when it comes to Gerard Cosmetics highlighters, if you like warm them up, they just like melt into your skin and just, it's like a glow from within. It is absolutely beautiful. And then last but not least, we've got the Dial a Smile Zero Teeth Whitening System. That is nice. You got like the whole flippin' kit right here. Zero peroxide, zero bitter taste, zero mess. That's everything in the Rudolph Sleigh box. Grand total of at least $325 or up to $325 for $99. So like I told you guys, the sale for the mystery boxes it only goes from November 24th to November 27th. This is going to make an excellent gift, and here's my thought. You can make so many gifts with just this box, whether it's for your kids' teachers or your friends, or you know, how cute. You guys know I always talk about like a wine mug or like a Stanley type of thing, and then you can pack it with little goodies in here. These are great stocking stuffers, as well as like a gift to yourself. So like I told you guys, there's 3 different boxes to choose from, so there's going to be something for everybody's price range. And no matter which size box you pick out, I promise you, Jen packs these boxes wonderfully. Go ahead and leave us a comment in the comment section if you've already picked these up in years past. Let us know how wonderful and how much you enjoyed them. As always, there's going to be a link in my description box for you guys to go ahead and pick your box out. And don't forget, you know, it only goes for a couple days. So this is a Black Friday deal you definitely don't want to miss out. So anyways, thank you guys so much. If you made it to the end of today's video, I greatly appreciate it. Stay tuned for December, because your girl's got some things in store for you all. And thank you so much to Gerard Cosmetics for working with your girl. Once again, I absolutely adore you all. So don't forget, while you're over on the website picking out the mystery boxes, don't forget to check out their lip liners. Those lip liners are always my go-to liners. They're affordable, they're long lasting, and they're flipping amazing. So anyways, friends, until next time, check me out on my other channels, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, Hot Mess in the Kitchen. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HotMessMomma04. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite hobby.